GPS tracking and temperature monitoring protect potatoes' quality. The journey ensures freshness from farm to factory. Potatoes enter massive rotating washing drones. High-pressure water removes soil and impurities from potatoes. Recycled water systems reduce waste. Potatoes enter steam or abrasive. Outer skins are removed smoothly from potatoes. Cameras scan each potato slice in real time. Broken or uneven slices are rejected automatically. Only perfect potato slices continue.
Potato slices enter controlled cooking systems. Moisture levels of potatoes are carefully monitored. Temperature settings are optimized.
Potato slices pass through drying tunnels. Excess moisture is removed from potatoes. This step ensures long shelf life.
Taste and visual checks ensure consistency. Sensors detect uneven seasoning on potatoes. Adjustments are made instantly.
Empty Pringles cans are sterilized. Cans are aligned for potatoes filling. Quality checks ensure safety. Foil seals closed potatoes cans tightly. Airtight sealing preserves freshness. Seal integrity is tested. Potatoes cans arrive at retail warehouses. Distribution centers sort shipments. Shelves are restocked.
From the farm to the can, this is the quality my family trusts.
Okay, but this smoky barbecue one is the best one yet.
Seriously, the crunch on these is unreal.
I know, right? Pass me that bag.
From the moment of harvest to these perfectly stacked crisps, the transformation is a testament to industrial mastery.
Check line 3, throughput is dipping.
Compensating now. Levels are stabilizing.
Good catch, we are back on target.
Easy on the drop, watch the bruising. Okay, let's get this tarp secured for transport.
Freshly peeled potatoes are rinsed again. Any remaining peel residue is washed away. Potatoes are now ready for slicing.
Potatoes dough is rolled into thin sheets. Precision rollers shape potatoes dough evenly. Thickness control is critical. Empty Pringles cans are sterilized. Cans are aligned for potatoes filling. Quality checks ensure safety. Foil seals closed potatoes cans tightly. Airtight sealing preserves freshness. Seal integrity is tested.